Hey everybody, my name is Siddharth Anand and I am pursuing BA Honours Psychology first year from the NorthCap University under the Department of Psychology. And I truly am privileged to be able to share with you all about my reflections on studying psychology here at the NorthCap University. An experience that has been profoundly transformative. Studying psychology at NCU is a journey of discovery. It's not just about understanding the complexities of human mind, but also about myself and the world around me. It has taught me to approach life with a curious and empathetic mindset, to question assumptions, to seek understanding in different perspectives. One of the most valuable aspects of studying here would be the ability to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world context, from conducting experiments to observing behaviors. Every experience has deepened my appreciation for the intricacies of human nature and the power of psychological principles in shaping our lives. But the most significant aspect of studying psychology would be the personal growth it has facilitated. It has challenged me to expand my empathy, confront my biases, and cultivate a deeper understanding about myself and the world around me. But it has also taught me that true knowledge is not just about facts and figures. It is also about understanding, the deeper understanding of human experiences that we all have. Thanks to the NorthCap University, today I'll be able to contribute to the society as a psychologist in the future in a better way.